Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm showing how to make this easy and simple bird painting. For this, I have taken a canvas board and a stencil of a bird. Place the stencil over the canvas board. Now paint it in black color. Make sure that the paint won't go outside the stencil. Remove it after painting. Make correction using white acrylic paint. The second one, I have painted the canvas with black acrylic paint. I have a stencil of the bird and now stick it using a glue. At last, it looks like this.